Hi, this is Mike Colleen, Director of Admissions here at Alpena Community College. We know during these times a lot of you would like to come to campus and check out our facilities, classrooms, labs, meet with instructors, and it may be difficult. So we're going to put together a virtual tour and take you on a sort of tour around campus right now as we check out our buildings. Hopefully in the future you get a chance to come see the real thing as you decide to figure out if ACC is the right spot for you. So here I am standing in the hallway of Vandlar Hall, which is the oldest building on campus. Currently, this building is under a major renovation project that will be completed in late spring, early summer. But in the meantime, important offices like the cashier, the registrar office, which handles all of your academic needs and academic records, the financial aid office, which will help you with anything in terms of financial aid, Pell Grants, scholarships, student loans, and the admissions office are all located right here in Vandlar Hall. Also in Vandlar Hall is our Student Success Center. The Student Success Center is a great place for students to be able to come and access free tutoring, workshops, computer access, proofreading of papers, all types of services that will help students achieve their academic goals. Also located in the Student Success Center is our Testing Center, where students oftentimes have to come and have their tests proctored if they're taking online courses or any other test needed for their academics. We're now in the Besser Technical Center. The key middle word is technical, as this building houses many of our programs like machine tool, welding, auto service and repair. Other things in this building consist of the ACC Bookstore, a large student commons where students hang out between classes, and our on-campus food service, the Lumberjack Shack. Another thing located in this building is the Foundation Office. ACC offers a large number of student scholarships through the Foundation. Applications typically go out in January, with the deadline being early March. The ACC Bookstore doesn't just sell your textbooks and school supplies. They also have a large number of t-shirts, sweatshirts, sweatpants, pennants, hats, so pick up some ACC gear to show your lumberjack spirit. Now I'm standing in the center building. The center building on campus has a large range of various different spaces that students will access, ranging from our Wellness Center, the Park Arena, the Grand Theater, the student library, and a number of student commons and classrooms that students will access as they're moving through their academics. Now let's go take a closer look at a few of those spaces. The ACC library is a great place for students to study. The library is open 7 days a week with evening hours Monday through Thursday. Students come in here to study individually, in small groups, get a tutor, use our computers. Everything that's available for the students is right here in the library. I always encourage students to find someplace other than where they live to do their homework. The ACC library is a great place to separate yourself from all those distractions. The ACC Park Arena is home of Lumberjack Athletics. We have men's and women's basketball, volleyball, softball, and cross country here for students to participate and compete in. Students are also able to participate in intramural activities, and all students get admitted free to all ACC athletic events. This is the ACC Wellness Center. It's a free fitness center on campus for students to use. It has Stairmasters, treadmills, bikes, weightlifting equipment, and rowing machines, once again, all free of charge, and open 6 days a week for student access. As I sit here in the Grand Theater, it's important for students to know the number of student groups and activities they can get involved with. ACC over the last couple of years has had an outstanding group called the ACC Players, where they have put on a couple of theatrical performances for students, staff, and the community members to come see. Other groups and organizations consist of the Language Society, we have a Student Ambassador Program, Student Leadership, and many other things for students to get involved with. I strongly encourage students to get involved with campus activities while here at ACC. Here I am in the lobby of the Natural Resource Center now. The NRC building is the tallest building on campus. The first floor consists of all of our science labs, chemistry, biology, anatomy, zoology, all those hands-on science labs you're going to have. The second floor is our current nursing department, along with speech, humanities, language, and reasoning. The third floor is instructors' offices, as instructors have offices all over campus, so you may be in this building to meet with some of your advisors in their office. The Fine Arts building on campus allows students to take classes in ceramics, pottery, sculpting, drawing, computer-generated imaging. Fantastic opportunities for students to take those hands-on classes they may be very interested in. ACC also offers 2 Evening with the Arts art shows where students are able to showcase their student artwork at the end of each semester. The World Center of Concrete Technology building was built in 2000, dedicated to house our very popular concrete technology program. which is a material science program which really allows students to study the complete concrete industry. There are 3 multi-purpose classrooms in this building, along with a lot of lab space that students use for their concrete lab experiments. Criminal justice, economics, and possibly some other courses may be housed in this building during the renovation of Vandlar Hall. The Electrical Power Technology Center, which opened in 2015, is designed to house all of our electrical programs, our very popular Utility Tech Line Worker program, Electrical Apprenticeship, and the bachelor's degree program that Alpena Community College offers named Electrical Systems Technology. That helps students understand power distribution, the grid, system design, and now many of those courses for that program are offered and available online. Alpena Community College has on-campus housing, the College Park Apartments. They're 4-bedroom townhouses with 2 bathrooms, a living room, and a completely equipped kitchen for students to live in. Affordable, right on campus, and convenient for students looking at ACC from a distance so they don't have to necessarily make that commute back and forth. In addition to all the face-to-face classes that we offer here on main campus in Alpena, Alpena Community College is always expanding our options. We have remote classes, online classes, and a satellite campus down in Oscoda, where we have a number of general education classes, business, and our full nursing program available. ACC continues to look for more and more ways to expand our offerings to make it easier for Northeastern Michigan residents to get an education. I hope you enjoyed your virtual tour of campus as you got a chance to see some of our buildings, classrooms, labs, and facilities. If you'd like to schedule a tour or you have any questions at all, please feel free to contact us and we'll certainly take care of your needs.